This table is what's called from the Echo series. We do an Echo 63-inch wide video table, which is what we're seeing. And then there's also a 50-inch wide version of this, and then there's a 3-shelf audio tower. So it keeps the aggressive price point with still having a contemporary style look and feel to it. So for example, this piece we're looking at, the Echo 63, retails for $249. This is RTA, or ready to assemble, so when you do get it home, you have to put it together, but it takes no time at all. The Echo 50 retails for $199, and then the A3, which is the 3-shelf audio tower, retails for $249. This is our first introduction into the case goods furniture segment. The first one we're showing you right now, this is called a Vent 65. Soon after this, there will be a Vent 50. So obviously, as you can see, there's the doors are vented, so IR will pass through there. There's sufficient room in the back of this for cable management, and there's also on the very back of it, it's kind of, I want to say there's probably 2-3 inches to push it against the wall, and then you have more room to put cables and electric back there. And again, this is called the Vent series. This is the Vent 65. There will also be a Vent 50. And right now, the only finish it's available in is the zebra wood finish, the dark zebra wood. This is a continuation of our Moto wall furniture system. Obviously, this is the system that comes all in a one-box solution. Retail Canadian is $350. Again, it's a one-box solution, so everything you see is what you get. You get the 2 shelves, you get the covers, and then obviously there's a skeleton back here, in which it's going to house all the electric and all your cables. So your TV would go over that portion of it, and then there's also a top that goes on this, so you can't see any of the cables. Now, you can also make this more of a modular system. There is what's called a Moto Wall 8 and a Moto Wall 16. So example, this is an 8-inch cube with the shelf, and then you can also get a 16-inch cube. So if 2 shelves aren't enough, then you can add one. If 2 shelves is too many, you can just go with the 1-shelf system. So again, this is the Moto wall furniture system. It's been out for about 2 years and extremely successful, not only here in Canada, but over in Europe, Latin America, and in the United States.